Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a very much needed update on Hedera. All right, because we were fooled, or I was fooled at least, and I know quite a lot of judging because of the momentum we had. A lot of us were fools because the news yesterday was kind of fake news. All right, and the thing is that it wasn't even Hedera doing this, because if you look at their announcement, to go back to it, about BlackRock, obviously, and we need to start talking about this initially, and then we'll get into the price, because the price obviously at this moment is not the greatest. I mean, we've lost basically all of our strongest support levels, technically, and that in combination with the market situation right now, it's not looking great. However, if we look at the if we look at the news that they put out about BlackRock, it's this is not it. It was this. Yeah, so BlackRock's ICS US Treasury Money Market Fund is tokenized on Hedera with a third party. That was the news, all right? So this is not, I mean, they kind of make it seem, if you look at this, they kind of make it seem like it is a partnership with BlackRock. The text, like, is tokenized, doesn't really imply that. In general, look, Hedera is a serious project, all right? And I don't want to put blame on them. But I do think, I mean, they obviously know the weight that BlackRock has in crypto and what it can do with a coin if it's affiliated with BlackRock. So I do think, I mean, there are a lot of money market funds that you can tokenize. So tokenizing their money market fund, it's obviously done to create some hype. So is there blame to put on Hedera? I don't think so, but in the end, I do think they partially knew what they were doing. I don't think they wanted to create something like this. But in the end, it's not true, all right? The money market fund of BlackRock, you can just participate in right now. So right now, you can also participate in it on chain. That is still bullish. And Hedera is still doing a lot of bullish things on chain, all right? We also saw some other developments recently in relation to France, for example. That is quite bullish. And then I wanted to look at this as well. If you look at the total value locked, the total value locked is still up quite a lot if you compare it to the last week. So fundamentally, I would say Hedera has gained from this. The thing is now is that we talked about this yesterday. The two main support levels are 13.5 cents and 12 cents, and that whole level right here. And we've given up both of those levels. All right, we've given up both of those levels, which are two major bearish technical confirmations. And then apart from that, we have also lost a ton of momentum. There's still, I mean, the open positions has still increased a ton, all right? So that's, there's still a lot of people in positions right there, probably not wanting to sell. Because Hedera, I mean, in the end, it's not a bad project to be invested in. So it's not the end of the world, but we still have to see how this goes, especially in these market circumstances. I expect this open interest to continue to fall down lower. Now, like I said, Hbar, or at least I haven't said this, but Hbar in the past has rallied quite strong. So if we do see some sort of a recovery from Bitcoin here, it is a possibility that Hbar breaks back above its main resistance level right now at 12.2 cents. And if we do that, we can get some sort of a rally back up to 13.7 cents, even though the news was fake. So that is a possibility. But it is 100% dependent on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin does not get a bullish breakout right here, if Bitcoin stays relatively flat or bearish, what's going to happen is that Hbar is just going to find resistance right here at 12.5 and 12.2 cents, and is slowly going to drop down to its main support level right here at 10 cents. That's what I think is most likely. The main thing to keep an eye on, if you do want to do that, is probably the open interest. If that continues to drop down, we're losing momentum, all right? And if we're losing momentum in these circumstances with this structure, it's just most likely will fall down. So this would need to increase for a potential bullish reclaim to occur. But that's what I think you need to know. That's my full update on Hedera right now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.